Okay, here we are in the middle of the scene of one Drake on top of Queen Anne. And then Duffy got all mad. Boy, you guys are cray-cray when it's mating season. Go, Mom, go! Go, Mom, go! Go, Queen Anne, go! Uh-oh, uh-oh. Man, they go underwater. Is he on her? Wow, I love that. I never knew they did that. She goes underwater to lose them. And then, where does she come up? Where's she at? Oh, did he already get her? Did you get her? No, you didn't. Smart Mom, she's way over there. I know, my poor baby girl. She got her butt hurt when she was a baby. And her tail feathers never grew. That's so funny. Not the baby, I'm talking Mom. She's a smart look. She flirts with them though. Did you lose? She's just training you.